How you feeling? This is not a your Zion birthday cake. How you feeling? Feel like a peace revolution and go and feel. Nobody not sleep in a Rotterdam city. Now in a Rotterdam city. Nobody not sleep in a Rotterdam city. Now in a Rotterdam, I went to a place where nobody can stop. Everyone move, dance and rock. From the morning light till the sun goes down. From the camping I can hear reggae all night long. Genuine and raw, nice and